सपेरा कोई आज का नहीं है, ये तो तब से सृष्टि रची गई है। अब सरकार ने हमारा रोजी रोटी छीन लिया। सरकार
Snake charmers have been banned from city streets.
The mouse that comes with the laptop or computer, I think that's what we are more known for than snake charmers nowadays.
The world media has to show all aspects of Indian culture.
I think it's history.
तो हम तो ये कह रहे हैं कि साहब जब सब सपेरा जाति खत्म कर कर हिंदुस्तान को यही मिलता है तो हिंदुस्तान आगे बढ़ जाए। हम तो ठीक है, हम हिंदुस्तान के साथ ही, हिंदुस्तान की से अलग तो नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे लिए रोटी तो मिलनी चाहिए।
So what happened was the first video we created for the team's project here in India had a shot of a snake charmer in it, and truthfully I didn't realize how insensitive it was to use that image, but we received tweets somewhat immediately basically saying we were helping to perpetuate negative stereotypes.
I mean, yes, it is a sensitive issue. In fact, a friend told me there's a village nearby Delhi where snake charmers still live, but in abject poverty and without their snakes. I think we should definitely go there and find out what is actually happening.
जैसे जंगल में मिल गया या किसी घर मकान में निकल आया, उसको पकड़ लिया। पकड़ने के बाद में कुछ दिन खेल तमाशा करा, बच्चों को खेल दिखाते थे, बीन बजाते, सांप को खिलाते थे, अपना आटा चुकती 10-20 रुपया मांगा लाए, बच्चों को पढ़ाते भी थे, थोड़े बहुत लिखाते भी थे, अपना खर्चा भी करते थे, रोटी कपड़ा भी कर लेते थे। उसके बाद में छोड़ देते इसको। सांप का खेल हमारा ऐसा था साहब, ये हमारा रोजी रोटी थी। हमारे को कोई सुविधा सरकार से नहीं मिलती है।
क्या काम से कहा, जो हमारा खानदानी काम था उस पर रोक है। इतना मुश्किल है, बहकाया जाता है कि बेटे बनाएंगे बनाएंगे, लाएंगे कहीं ना कहीं से। बच्चा उस नोबल पे आता है, मतलब 8वीं 9वीं 10वीं के बाद में आता है, तो उस पे जाति प्रमाण पत्र लगते हैं सबके लिए। तो जाति प्रमाण पत्र पे सरकार ने रोक लगा रखी है। हमारी जाति के कोई है ही नहीं ऊपर।
One of the challenge which we are facing is that we have to keep our culture and we have to maintain with the pace of the modernization also. We have to change our identity also. We have to create a new brand, because the way India has been branded outside, that's the country of snake charmers. I think government has taken a right step, but at the same time I require that there is a need to resettle all these snake charmers to the different profession.
Does the government have a responsibility to support these unwanted groups that once meant something to the nation culturally?
I think definitely it is government's responsibility, and also as a society we all have this responsibility to ensure this change. It was basically about animal rights, and slowly we have started banning use of animals, wild animals, for entertainment. So that's why it has been done. So it's not that we were trying to rebrand. Things were actually changing on the ground, and it was part of that change process.
अब हमसे सांप तो छुटवा दिया गया। बीन हमारी कोई सुनता नहीं साहब।